Ladies and gentlemen, Ophthalmological Society every year honors its members with gold medals who have made significant contribution in research, education, and patient care. There are two presidential gold medals which were instituted by President of Pakistan, that is Ramzaan Ali Syed Gold Medal and Nawal Christie Gold Medal, and 10 other subspecialty medals. Only citation for the Presidential Gold Medal will be read. I request Professor Muhammad Daud Khan to read the citation for the awardee of Ramzaan Ali Syed Gold Medal.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The recipient of Ramzaan Ali Syed, President of Pakistan Gold Medal, comes from a very humble background, but blessed with parents who are very keen on his academic growth and development. He did his matriculation from University Public School, Peshawar in 1985 and FSc from Islamic College, Peshawar in 1987. He obtained his MBBS degree from Khyber Medical College in 1993. After his hours job, he started the fellowship training in ophthalmology at Ladder Reading Hospital in 1995. After his FCPS training, he decided to go for FRCS examination in year 2000. He started observation at Sandwell General Hospital, Birmingham, to acclimatize himself with the UK training before appearance in FRCS examination. Blessed with prayers of his near and dear ones, he cleared FRCS at Edinburgh and Glasgow in his first attempt in November 2000. Then he was offered a job in UK, but he politely declined it, and he returned to Pakistan to serve his country, and last but not the least, to be with his parents. After returning to Pakistan, he also attained fellowship of the College of Physicians and Surgeons, Pakistan, in 2001. With the guidance of his teacher, he chose vitreoretina as a subspecialty for future career, as there was no one in public sector in providing specialized care for retinal pathologies of the province. For this, he attained training in Sir Gangaram Hospital, Lahore in 2002, University Eye Hospital, Munich, University Eye Hospital, Lahore, Services Hospital, Lahore, L.B. Prasad Hospital in India, Karl Theodor Eye Hospital, Munich, University Eye Hospital, Germany, and he also attained certificates in health professional education in 2021 and certificate course in medical writing and journalism from Lahore University of Health Sciences. He has published 63 research papers and editorials in various scientific journals. His name is on the editorial board of many peer-reviewed journals, including Journal of Postgraduate Medical Institute, Peshawar. He has also contributed in publication of reference atlas for intervention in diabetic retinopathy and in framing national guidelines for laser application in diabetic retinopathy, and a book regarding eye diseases for commoners. He has 38 scientific presentations to his credit and has attended 119 national and international conferences. He was assigned duties of academic director in 2002 when he joined Hyderabad Medical Complex. He was then designated as training program director for postgraduate training in ophthalmology in 2017 by Dean HMC Hyderabad Medical Complex. He is the examiner, paper setter, and an elected faculty member of the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan. Being accredited supervisor for fellowship in general and vitreoretinal ophthalmology, he has attained 46 fellows in general and VR surgery. Through personal connection and friends, he arranged sponsored subspecialty trainings for 6 fellows in Munich, Germany. He also facilitated training of many fellows in various well-known international centers of ophthalmology in various subspecialties. He is also coordinator for International Council of Ophthalmology Examination in Peshawar, Pakistan since year 2021. He is a member of Ophthalmological Society KPK Peshawar since 2001 and served on all official posts of OSP, including Joint Secretary, Finance Secretary, General Secretary, President-elect, President, and many times as member of Executive Committee of OSP in KPK. He is also a member of the Pakistan Vitreoretinal Surgeon, American Academy of Ophthalmology, Oxford Ophthalmological Congress, European Society of Retinal Specialists, Executive Committee Pakistan Vitreoretinal Society, National Task Force on Diabetic Retinopathy, National Committee of Retinal Specialists working for prevention of blindness due to diabetic retinopathy. Presently, he is President-elect of Pakistan Vitreoretinal Society. He has chaired more than 15 administrative institutional committees. He has organized, chaired, moderated, or judged more than 45 academic events in the form of congresses, workshops, webinars, and quiz competitions. He is medical director of Khano Eye Trust Hospital, a charity hospital working on no profit, no loss basis in Lucky Mervat, Pakistan. He has organized and participated in more than 50 free eye camps, and he credited it to his colleagues and students. He also runs Bibi Rabia free consultation clinic on every Thursday at his private clinic. The service is dedicated to his late mother. He is recipient of International Scholar Award 2021 by American Academy of Ophthalmology, Distinguished Service Award 2020 by Pakistan Vitreoretinal Society, Khwaja Shariful Hassan Gold Medal in 2019 by OSP Distinguished Service Award in 2019, International Ophthalmological Education Award in 2015 by American Academy of Ophthalmology, and Latif Chaudhry Gold Medal 2013 by Ophthalmological Society of Pakistan for his contribution to vitreoretinal ophthalmology in Pakistan. Presently, he is Professor of Vitreoretinal Surgery at Hyderabad Medical Complex, where he initiated and established vitreoretinal services for the first time in public sector at Hyderabad Medical Complex, patronized by his seniors and mentors in year 2002. He is also Provincial Coordinator of National Committee for Eye Health. He has an additional assignment of being Director of Pakistan Institute of Ophthalmology since 2020. In view of his enormous contribution, the Chairman and members of the Gold Medal Award Committee are pleased to award Ramzaan Ali Syed, President of Pakistan Gold Medal Award, to Professor Sanaullah Jan.
The Chief Guest is requested to award the medal to Professor Sanaullah Jan.
Thank you.